Or you gotta lean it. Oh, kickstand. Put it on the kickstand. Cause you gotta change the oil anyway, right?
Trying to lean it.
It'll probably lean by itself on the kickstand.
You want?
Nah, a little bit more. A little more to take this off.
Here.
There you go.
Nah, I can't. I need the bike to be lean.
Here, let me do it. Let me show you some skills.
Not that way, towards me.
Here, hold this.
That's why I said, let me get the kickstand
Let me show you some skills. Here, hold this.
This shit will go straight in.
I wasn't trying to spill it because I don't know if there's even enough there to fill it up.
Well, we got 2 radiators. It's going, gulp down a couple times.
This man right up with this shit easy.
You spilling it every time.
It's about to rain.
This cool.
I know it's about to rain. Who is this?
Oh.
To the left more. Over the bushes. Not in front of the van.
I see the brown black car.
Look like you was looking at the van.
With the girl and the white girl in the passenger seat?
Yeah, I don't know who it is.
I don't know. They dope boy pull up in a minute.
Mm-hmm. So,
Is it full?
yeah, I guess I ain't going nowhere else. I ain't bubbling no more either.
That's it. Hold on, right there.
It's full.
Oh, wow. I don't think it can be. Because the hose goes up. Oh, wait, no.
No, it's bubbling. Look.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Shake it a little bit. Not much, but just.
Man, once I start, it ain't gonna stop for a couple of minutes. Yeah, shit get to moving.
Yeah, there's more up in there. It's going down. It's still going down.
Damn.
There it went. That motherfucker drinking.
That's why I said that little bit of bullshit that came out when we took them off.
It's coming out. It's coming out.
Where?
Of the overflow.
Oh, okay.
So it's full.
Yeah, this shit's full.
Okay. Get the cap. Now.
Is the gas tank hooked up to the carburetor?
Yeah.
You ain't hooked the gas tank up to the carburetor?
But I didn't. I was asking if he did.
I think you gonna change the oil right quick or what?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what we're doing the video for. Yeah. Yeah, they dope boy can.
Yeah, I just looked over there and pulled already.
Follow him down the street.
There's that oil can. Right there. There's a little oil can. I got the bike.
You got the what's the name? The socket to take them off. That's mass.
Yeah, I believe so. Mine, I think, is over there. Is there revving on the side of the charger?
It's done.
I guess I'm probably about 12.
That's probably like a 14.
You know how much goes back in?
Uh-huh.
Huh?
You know what the oil capacity is?
700 milliliters, says it right here on the side.
Yeah, and he got 800 in there.
That's why I said I'm gonna probably pour like 100, maybe half of that in there after I drain it and just mix it around to make sure I get all the old shit out. Cause I don't know how old this fucking oil is. I know I bought the bike, what, a year ago?
Oh, so this is the first time you changed it?
Yes,
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying.
He dirty as hell for that shit, ain't he? He wrong.
That quad in there, that's a 96. They got the original factory carburetor on it.
Oh, you scared. You scared.
Hey, I mean, you was on it.
Right. Right.
Think about it.
Right.
Like, it ain't got but, I got it for my cousin.
You ain't got that many miles on it.
No, it ain't got but a few hours for real.
Okay.
I mean, I done put more hours on it than anybody else.
Right. Right.
You know,
All right.
it was a lady, her and her husband split up, and she decided, oh, I'm keeping your toy. And Chicago, the motherfucker used to be funny, you know, trying to show off and ran into the house. Put a big ass dent in where the brush guard is in front of the radiator.
Right.
Sold it the next day.
Damn.
To my cousin.
Damn.
And my cousin, he barely paid anything for it. Motherfucker was brand new.
Barely wrote it.
You know?
I hope this is the oil drain bolt.
What? Are you serious, bro?
You said broke?
No. I hope it's the oil drain bolt. I know I've seen motherfuckers pull out the wrong bolt and nothing happen.
Well, there ain't no transmission fluid gonna come out. You can believe that.
Yeah, that's the oil bolt right there.
Blacker than a motherfucker.
Hey, why don't you,
That shit was black, boy.
right there? You wanna hold the bike for a second? I got paper towels for you already. Or you can get paper towels.
Damn, I got it on my shoes.
Oh, you
You worried about
Man, if you don't get your ass up out of here, man.
He wiped off one spot.
Tell me I got it on my
And
shoe.
now I got a clean spot.
Yeah, you talking about I got it on my shoes. I thought them shoes was meant to get dirty.
They were, I was just like, damn.
You just talking shit.
I mean, who the fuck wants to get oil on you, bro?
Me.
It depends on what situation we in.
I mean, working wise. Look, look over here.
All day nasty, you know?
Right.
They built them boats right here. They done right here.
I feel you.
You got it?
Yeah.
Now you might need a filter for the oil though.
Nah. Everybody's ain't got no oil filter.
I mean not a filter, but a funnel.
Oh, yeah. I'll definitely need a funnel for the oil.
Yeah.
You sure do.
Yeah, you do.
How big a funnel are you talking about?
Are you gonna turn that bit? Are you gonna turn that bit sideways?
Yeah, I got a funnel right now, and the whole one is that big. I know that's too big, so
Right.
A basic funnel you buy at the gas station, like this big.
Or turn it sideways?
No.
No.
Because then I might overfill it and stand it up if it should come pouring out.
How you gonna overfill it? You got 800 in there. You can take out one. You go down the line. Matter of fact, that's a measuring cup right there, bro.
Hell nah.
No, I'm just saying you can take out a line. Look, you got.
No, you tripping.
No, I'm saying you got a measuring cup. You can take out a line. Look.
I'm not putting that in there. That's to go in the gas.
What?
That measuring cup.
No, I'm saying you can clean the measuring cup out, and you can take out your one line.
Nah,
Or
that
you
ain't even
just
for
gonna,
ounces.
or you just gonna start right here.
Look, this ain't even for ounces, I don't think.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it's not? Where do you see ounces? 70 to 1, 80 to 1,
What's
50 to 1.
700 at? Turn to the side.
So you
Come on,
could
boy.
pour it in there with this.
Ounces.
Come on, boy. 100, 200, 300, 400,
Them
500.
CCs.
Them ain't CCs. CCs is cubic.
Oh, he
That's
tried to. Oh,
centimeters.
that's for these.
CC.
I don't CC nothing.
CC.
I don't CC nothing.
You better CC these nuts in your fucking face.
I mean, if they
Nah,
ain't no face, I don't see it as a
ounces
problem.
right here then.
Yeah.
So these are the milliliters. ML.
Yeah, 700 milliliters, 800 milliliters.
So that would be on this cup.
Ain't no ml.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. This is a milliliter cup.
That's for ratio.
You got your pint, cc's, flows, your ounce flows right there. Look, ounce flows. So it got the same ounce flows as this right here. Ounce
Where's my
flows.
kickstand? Can you hold this for a second?
Fix that on.
Oh, I forgot you a cancer.
Is that what that is? That's what the cancers do?
Yeah,
Oh, that's why I'm standing right next to the table. Hey, hold this.
I do this shit. Nah, about if you right or wrong. Just let it go. It's my way.
My way or the highway.
I'm just not doing it that way. Now you gotta put the bottom boat in.
I ain't even trusting that. Let me move this over real quick. Nah, I was just sitting there and it's like my phone about to fall in my pocket right into the oil.
Oh, what?
Your bus right
It's not water.
Nigga, I dropped it in the water yesterday.
It's not water. You ain't
I don't
gonna
give a
affect it.
fuck.
You mean oil?
No, I dropped it in water yesterday.
No, you said you was gonna drop
Yeah, but I was about to.
You ain't gonna do that. It's gonna get greasy.
So now what?
Your boat's down there.
Oh, nah, hold up.
Put
I
the nut
know
back
what I
in?
was about to do. I know what I was about to do. Give me this.
You gonna pour the one through?
I'm gonna just pour a little bit to,
Alright. Flow
You
it.
got,
yeah, run out all the old shit. So I'm definitely need a funnel here. Or you tilt the bike that way? I can try to tilt it a little bit.
Oh, nah, let him tell
It
something.
goes in here?
Yeah.
You can. Mm-hmm.
It should be good on stamp.
Yep. And now that you got
I
100
mean,
already taken out of it.
I
100
think that's,
milliliters ain't nothing but a
I
quarter.
ain't putting no 100 milliliters out.
even if you poured the whole A in there, that'd be cool. That's crazy. Your bike take the same amount as oil as my bike. Them Japanese motherfuckers knew what they was doing.
Mm-hmm.
America's
I
sleeping.
think I had an 18.
What size was it?
It was an 18 or 17.
You thought it was a 12.
No, I said 12 on accident. I
Oh.
meant 18 or 17.
I thought it was 14. I had a dream I was on a YZ 250. And I lift that bitch up and woke up. I like, damn, why I wake up? I said, I must have hit a good ass wheelie on that motherfucker. Is your gas line on or off right now?
Off. I never turned it on. Yeah, I need a phone. I keep spilling that.
Yeah.
You gotta back up some.
Okay, I can. What is that?
The top.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the top
I'm
tool.
like, damn.
Thought some shit just fell.
I ain't know.
Right.
Hey,
It's
D,
oily though.
What?
feel this clutch. Tell me if it feels stiffer or looser than what it did before.
I mean, you probably need to grease it. But
I feel like it loosened up.
why would it loosen up? You ain't do shit to it.
It was super stiff before.
So I was the last person to rode it, right? So I did a good job loosening it up, right?
No, you wasn't the last person to ride it.
Who was? Oh, okay.
When the boys put up on me in my exhaust.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I got just over 100 milliliters left.
Now you gotta pour it all in there because he ran something through.
No, yeah, I ran like
And he spilled some.
that much out. I wouldn't pour it all in there, but leave about 50 milliliters left.
Like a corner.
Down there. Yeah, fuck, I guess that's it.
It's pretty good.
That's good.
That's 100. That's 50.
That's cool.
Ain't got no choice now.
Right.
That shit's in there.
What you mean? Undo the boat a little bit, let the joint tighten it. Boom.
No.
It ain't that hard.
The more fluids I gotta take
Also
in,
gotta-
the more you gotta pay.
Can't you see the oil on the other side?
Nah,
Yeah.
that's what's wrong. That's the one thing about it. Like it ain't got the
Got the
little
oil
glass.
level?
Yeah, it ain't got the little glass thing.
That's some bull. Brake cleaner and shit on there.
Yeah.
Don't want smoke. You got gas in there?
Is it? Where's the kickstand? You took the kickstand?
Yeah. What you want the kickstand for?
Let this oil settle for a second.
For the oil settle. Why you didn't start that bitch up?
Yeah, it don't need to settle. I mean, it ain't got no place to go.
Yeah.
Start it.
Start that bitch up so that engine can run. Let the motherfucker sit.
Scoot it out the way. Watch out for my phone.
You know what the cap for this is?
You said put your phone in there?
Hey, just in time too, you feel it?
Yeah. Just in time.
What you got going on?
You gotta let the gas get down to it.
Alright, first full kick.
Your carb up, right?
Show me.
Yeah.
Can you hold the bike for
A
me?
little better.
I got you.
I ain't giving it no gas. Let's turn the gas off for a second because it was flooding.
How's it flooding if you didn't give it a gas?
That's what I'm saying. The gas constantly flows.
There's definitely something different.
Yeah, gas.
Oh, that's something out that tube, huh?
Yes, that overflow tube. That's what I've been trying to tell y'all. Y'all just don't want to listen to me.
What you think? Is that? It's a wire. It's one wire out.
Yeah, I know.
So that's what it could be.
I don't think they was connected, man, because the one is dirty on the outside. Like the
Oh.
pants part.
We're about to try to connect it and see.
I don't even think they reach. You got family down in Georgia?
So yeah, my daughter's side, my great grandma, my grandma, my dad, they stayed down there.
Man, because I keep trying to figure out who you look like doing.
I had stayed in Georgia for 3 months. I stayed in Decatur.
Okay. Are you related to Sanders? I mean, it's my homeboy, Dennis Sanders.
Can we put a kickstand in there, please?
You from down there?
No, I'm from here. I lived down in Florida for a little while.
Hold this. We'll get
And,
just a second.
I work with him.
Yeah, it's right here, something, right?
Yeah.
What would that wire go to?
I have no clue. They just like to.
Have you ever did that?
No, I don't know if it was connected or not. You heard that?
What is that?
With that wire? It almost started.
Alright, we got it started. Hold on. Let me slap this back on. Hold on. Let me slap this back on there for breathing some fucking dirt.
You breathe in your ass, that's dirty. You need a longer motherfucker scoop right here.
No. Hold on, watch out. That's why.
It's in there. It's in there.
The seat's crooked. Hold on. There we go. Where's it?
I'm in a hole. Hat. And there.
Where's that 12?
I don't know. We got the bikes on kickstand, so it's good.
I mean, do we want to
I'm
tighten
holding
that
the
down
seat
yet?
down.
Do you got to tighten some other shit down? Yeah.
No. Tighten that motherfucker down. I'm saying this for a spin.
Get kickstand off first.
Y'all say some of the stupidest shit to me.
You said what? You said what?
Y'all say some of the stupidest shit to me. Swear.
See, if you dealt with shoes, you would know how forgetful you be. Hold up. Talking about, I forgot where I put my phone. Y'all seen it? Oh, it might be in my left pocket.
Motherfucker was on the phone earlier.